We do right now sit at around a $56,500 Bitcoin, and it's pretty interesting. We dipped as low as 53.5, but there was some strong buying coming in at that lower level. We actually saw at least $100 million worth of single purchases coming through on Bitcoin. So the absolute euphoric buy the dip is truly there. Now, the question is who is buying, how much are they buying, how much more are they going to buy? But it's really interesting to see us kind of drop that low at such a quick rate, and then people buying back in. It does absolutely show there is some significant support at the bottom end of the market. Just to give you a bit of a view, BTC funding rates now up 274% in the last 24 hours. So as much as people were kind of nervous about the market capitulation, well, the reality is people are buying. Our BTC dominance up over 1.18%. So truly we are seeing a move of money, this kind of evolution of this Bitcoin bull market, and people moving out of altcoins, people taking out of meme coins. We saw things getting absolutely demolished, and that cycle will change. That will move back in again as we start to see some strength build back in Bitcoin, and it definitely will move. So there's probably three things that I think are on my mind for this weekend. The continuation of Mt. Gox selling Bitcoin. We're at 50,000 Bitcoin to dump on the market, about $9 billion. So we'll have to see how that plays out. The first bit came yesterday. In my opinion, this is giving the wise investor or the people that understand the markets the opportunity to buy some discount products. It really is. I think a lot of people are truly overarching what's going on with Mt. Gox. I think people are getting it completely wrong in the sentiment that it's going to completely crash the market. We're at a $1.1 trillion Bitcoin market cap. Why would $9 billion all of a sudden send us to zero? So I think that's a big thing that people are just completely grossly underestimating, and more importantly are just giving opportunities to get in at a significant decline and a significantly reduced price. Also, Germany keeps dumping Bitcoin. Germany needs to calm down. They need to stop sending. They need to sell it just in ton. He's happy to buy their $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin on the over-the-counter deal to stop it. Even their own MPs are saying that it's not a good look. Now, the reality here is, for whatever reason, they are deciding to sell their Bitcoin. It may be that they are nervous. It may be that they're going to do something different. Maybe like everyone else, they want to buy some more at a different price. They want to push the price down. Who knows? What we do know, though, is they've been dumping significant amounts of Bitcoin. And you've got these two big catalysts that people would look at from a regulatory standpoint and say, why are they doing it? And this is where retail gets nervous. This is where retail right now, for some reason, then follows suit and dumps their Bitcoin, dumps their altcoins. My view, though, it gives you a significant opportunity to grab some of these coins at an absolute discount. Aerodrome Finances would be a great example of that. 41 cents, I picked that up. It was up 10%, 20% in 24 hours after that. So there are some absolute opportunities out there. And for me, it's a great time in the market to pick up some steals as people are making bad decisions, in my opinion. What's also obvious, though, when the market does exactly what the market's doing, is you get this opportunity in the meme coin space or the community cap token space, in which you get coins that start to push. We've seen PayPay start to move, Mobi starting to move as well. So there is a big opportunity out there in what we call the kind of crazy blood cycle of this Bitcoin capitulation. So if you're wise, you're sensible, you've got your ears to the ground and your eyes looking at your charts, there is some absolute steals to pick up. Look out for some Ethereum news. That's going to be pretty interesting. SEC pushing back those ETFs. So, you know, the first week of July that we all expected to be a pretty bullish month has absolutely been a real challenge. Doesn't mean the rest of July is going to be that way. It doesn't mean that we're going to continue on this downtrend. I actually think we may have hit the bottom at 53.5. I actually see us pushing back up to 60,000. And I think by the end of next week, I think we'll be in a much stronger position as the dust settles and people understand what's going on. I certainly can see a move on cryptocurrency. But let me know what you guys think. What are you guys up to this weekend? We'll be doing, well, crypto stuff. That's what we do. Keep it on the weekend. I'm actually off next week, so look out for some VCs in the Marbits Telegram, as well as some regular content. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on. The only channel bringing you the hottest and latest cryptocurrency news, reviews, technical analysis, and more. As ever, have a great Saturday, everybody. I'll see you live tomorrow on Sunday Funday. See you soon. Bye-bye.